When you order your signs from merchandising libraries, you will require two parts, the landscape sign and the landscape feet. These items are sold separately in order to suit individual needs. The landscape feet have strong magnets inbuilt. However, if your signs are not going onto a surface that is not magnetic, we can supply you with self-adhesive dots. For this tutorial, we have 2 magnetic feet holders, an aluminium key, and 2 adhesive dots. Before you begin, make sure that the screw on the inside of the foot is flush with the walls before you insert the sign. A good reference for spacing the feet on the side is about an Allen key length on either side. Insert the sign into the first foot, screw until it reaches the sign, and tighten slightly. Be sure not to over-tighten and to use too much force as the acrylic could crack. Repeat for the opposite side. Now your sign is ready for use. If you want for your sign to be double-sided, follow these steps. Undo the screws on both sides. Hold the sign upright like this. And insert the sign you would like to display on the back. Keep in mind that a double-sided sign is 2 signs back to back. Hold the 2 signs flush with your hands and screw them into the feet on each side. You now have a double-sided display sign. As mentioned, the signs have magnetic feet that stick to metal surfaces, like this. If you do not have any metal surfaces for the sign to stick to, that's no problem. Let us know and we'll provide you with some adhesive dots to apply to the feet instead. Peel off one side on either of the dots and stick them to either side of the feet. Once stuck on, remove the other side's backing, exposing the sticky side. Place it on your new surface to stick it to. If you decide to rearrange, that's no problem either, as a magnetic feet will still work even with the adhesive dots already applied. The signs come in 2 different styles, Standard, which is text printed directly onto the sign, or Premium, which features a raised 3mm white acrylic text.